Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to nobody. Good morning, nobody. Because you're all working, huh? You're all sitting at your job, being depressed. But it's fine. But it's fine, guys. It's all good. I don't know. People are complaining. People are basically saying, "Well, you're using VS Code," and now we're actually gonna set up this Neovim thing right on stream. So, two things. Let's go to this thing. Let's wait a bit. Huh? Actually, hungry, not gonna lie. But I'm fasting. I'm fasting, huh? Fasting. Where is my shit? Yeah. What's up? 100x engineer time. Yeah. Again, well, like, I'm gonna do it from scratch because I don't like all the Timmy stuff in Neovim. Like this kickstart, it's nice, but it's for Timmys. It's too much stuff and it's fucking up everything. Fucking up keybinds that I don't want and yada 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 yada. Tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is the day. What's up, George G? 42, man. Welcome. How is your day going? I don't know. Maybe it's night. Maybe it's lunch. I don't know. It's morning for me. Rana G, I love your videos. Hey, I love you too, man. Nice. What convinced you to come back? Well, I always want to use Neovim, man. I'm using that for a long time. But I used Vim, right? I'm using Vim like this thing. But with bare bones for a long time. Then I switched to VS Code and I'm used to these small things right now. So I'm gonna set that up. So basically, I already did some stuff. So what I did is copied this Primogen's Kickstart thing that we did on stream. Moved that to Alt New in Lua and have this in Lua here. So what I did is copied all my key bindings that I need, which are this stuff, very simple things. I installed Lazy, called Lazy. Installed Groovebox, of course. You know what I mean. We cannot continue without that. Good morning, Bossman. What's up? Did you watch UFC? Yeah, man. No. Did you like the fight between Arman and Oliveira? I didn't watch that fight. I watched the fight Max Holloway versus Justin Gaethje. Oh, baby, isn't that the BMF title? I'm gonna be honest. Since McGregor and all these guys left, basically retired because they are millionaires, billionaires, I stopped watching UFC. Khabib and all these guys. I was like, you know what I mean? That was UFC. But I like Max Holloway, Justin Gaethje. I also like... How is this guy called, man? With his fake hair. What the hell is that? Tell me what his name is real quick. He's the best. He's the best right now. Tell his name. Sugar Sean, baby. That's it. O'Malley. Sean O'Malley. That's him. This guy's amazing. He's like a superstar, man. He's coming from nothing. O'Malley, baby. So these fights I'll watch because they are interesting. All these other fights a little bit. Like, I like Oliveira, but he's boring. It's a boring fight. The boring fights. Yeah. That's it. That's it. What's up, Mohit Kumar? What's up, boys? What's up, Mansoor? What's up, boy? Go back to work, man. What are you doing? What are you doing here on stream? What are you doing here? Yeah, so that's what I did. Just Groovebox and all that stuff. So that's good. Not good, because we have these comments here, which are still gray. We need to have these green comments. So let me actually open up here. What did we do here for these green comments, huh? Color scheme. We did this thing. Thanks for the follow, Kumar. But this is great. This doesn't work, these palettes over. I fixed this here. No, I didn't. Here, this is what I did, man. These hacks. I did these hacks here. No, Kickstart. Kickstart installs so many things, like, and it interferes with a lot of stuff. And you see how tedious it is to set it up. Because I want a green common color. So I actually did this, right? Custom high, no match paran. Do we have match paran? Do we have match paran? We don't have that. That's good. So we don't need this. So basically, if I copy this thing over, right? And I paste it in, I think here or something. Look at that. There's no even. Now I need to actually do this. That's right. Like this. The thing is, I think I need to. Can I? Is this gonna work like that? Shit, I'm trying to fuzzy find, but I don't have a fuzzy finder yet. That's a problem. Yeah, look at that. Now we have these green colors. The question rather is, can we make it better? Do we need to do that? Because there is something like an override here. Let me check this. Yeah. What is this thing? Blind homies. Overrides. Palette overrides. The question is, bright green. Palette overrides. Palette overrides. Can we actually bright green? We don't want that. It's going to be gray. What is this color actually? Is it gray? Best views and followers on stream.boo. Can somebody ban this guy? How's that even? Yeah, get him out of here! Boot him! Yes. Boot this boy. No, why would I ban you, Armadon 101? Why would I ban you, man? Do you have any opinion on software development jobs being made redundant because of AI? Yeah, AI is not a problem. I'm gonna say this once again. So for the people that are a little bit of afraid, and I can imagine if you're just coming into coding, you're learning, you're in uni or something, or you're self-taught and you want to try to code, and there's a lot of things to learn, right? Because listen, back in my day, like 20 years ago when I was 16, 17, it was easy to code. Why? Because there was no stuff going on. You had PHP, JavaScript, HTML, jQuery, and some Python, but that was like Python and Ruby. That was special. Believe it or not, back in the day, it was special. It was PHP, the LAMP stack, easy, and that was it. You don't need. Node didn't actually existed yet. So what you didn't need to learn anything. But now it's very hard, man. Trust me. If you learn how to code right now, you need to do a lot. You need to learn a lot of stuff. All these frameworks, all that. Ooh, man. You're in a special position. And of course, AI comes and it can basically generate all that bullshit. You're gonna be a little bit intimidated. But don't worry, just keep on going, and at a certain point of time, you're basically going to be overrule the AI stuff, and you're gonna basically realize that it's garbage, right? A lot of stuff is not correct what it produces. Yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about AI. Don't worry. Never. Thanks for the follow. Also, thanks for the subscription, Shaman Mailstorm. Thank you so much, man. Much appreciate that. Is it really though? What about Devin and other dev? Guys, please. Armadon, believe me. Believe me. Trust me. Don't worry. Not. Don't worry. I swear. Believe me. Like I said, I'm always telling the truth. I'm always shoving hard to swallow pills up in your ass. I'm always doing that. But this time I don't, because it is nothing. It's like a little hype, man. It's just like I want to drink coffee, but the problem is that I'm already I drank too much. I didn't eat anything, so I'm like in this phase of cocaine, the cocaine phase. What are we doing? So can we actually use this overrides? This gray thing. The problem is, how do we know what is what? Right? How do we know that? Can we see this? What's that? Ooly cooly. You see, it's like setting up Neovim, and now you're basically configuring how to make gray comments green. And you're spending an hour on that. You know, that's, yeah. And that's the reason why I don't really like it. Oof, what is this? Overrides the LSP common Lua. Ah, wait, this. You know what? You know what, guys? We're gonna keep this thing like that. We're gonna keep this nasty little custom comment color. Unless somebody can actually quickly... Anthony, instead of using Vim CMD, yeah, you can use Lua API, okay? Vim API and Vim create auto CMD. You see, like, this is my old school stuff. This is coming from back, this is like from the Stone Age, right? And that's the problem. I always just copy stuff over from years and years, and I never learned the new stuff. That's a little bit of the issue actually going on, right? Anyway, so let me actually Vim API create auto CMD. Let me actually search for that, to be honest. Vim API create auto CMD. How does it work? Thanks for the follow. Tak Jokov. How do we do that? This one. Auto CMD. Man, this is like... This is way too complex for a boy like me, man. For a Timmy like me. And see, that's like I cannot find it in the first 20 seconds, and then I just piece it out and I leave it like it is. That's a little bit of my thing. The docs are not helping here. Yeah, it is, right? So this works pretty fine. So I don't think this gray thing is gonna work. Let me do that real quick, right? So that's gonna be. Let me send you some link here. That would be nice. That would be nice. Okay, let's continue. The next thing. What can we do here? So we have that. Split screen is working. We figured that out. Let's go this thing. Let's go open up this new init thingy. Wait, we have this Baitar with Vim CMD. Let me copy that over here. So you could say that this is gonna work as well. Vim CMD, do that. Paste that in. Don't we need anything else? There's actually, this is cleaner, but the thing is we need this green here, right? So let's do yank this one. Let's paste that in. Shit, it's yanking this thing. Okay, I see what it is. Let's paste that in, delete that. Do we need to have this whole stuff? I think like that. Something like this. Can we try that? Man! Found it in Google, but I'm not a Vim user. Yeah, okay, you found it on Google. GG, well played, man. GG. GG. It's not gonna work. Like that. Let's go back. Shit, did I actually... custom color, no permit. You see? Let's keep it like that. We don't want to waste time for this. It's working like that, so I'm gonna paste that in. Delete this, and now I need to actually indent this again like that. Look at that, perfectly fine. Kill this, and Vim again, and Vim again. Open up init. Colors are green, perfectly fine. Okay, next step. Let's open up this thing. I think we're gonna install telescope first, right? Let's do that. It's gonna be a nasty stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. So we need to install this whole shebang. Holy crap, this is a whole bunch of stuff here. Actually, it's fine, to be honest. I think it's this whole thing. Fuzzy Finder files. Let me see. Yeah, let's do that. I think it's gonna be in here. Let's paste that in. Damn, I don't have any indentation for that. That's so annoying. What is that, man? Make. Return make. UI select Neovim. Do this stuff. I'm gonna trust that. Leader P, that's what we want. And leader F is what we want. Slightly advanced example of overriding default. As an example. SS. What does it do? Wait, this is a function. Slash fuzzy search in the current buffer. I don't think we need that. Live grab and open files. We don't need that. Leader SN. We don't need that. Keep it simple. PNF. Call telescope. Yada yada yada. Yada yada yada. Beautiful. It all works. Look at that. Inelua. Boom. Inelua. Boom. Alt Inelua. Boom. Inelua. Boom. Yes. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay. So that's fine. What is F? Yes, this is my live grab. That's actually cool because you can do slash thingy and do for example config, right? But now I can actually do this and search for config, and now I can actually go here. Look at that, and do some beautiful stuff. Is the font okay, guys? Following along, or do I need to zoom in a little bit? It's all good for me. All good for me. So the next step we actually gonna test. Get harpoon. You'll be yeah, but harpoon, man, it's like it's gonna be another learning curve for me. Harpoon. I swear to God. Auto commands are like event listeners. Since when chat started calling themselves a Timmy? Neovim took away 12 days of my setting up. That's one-time thingy. Learning curve. Everything is fast after that. That's true. That's true. A little bit of a learning curve. Font is fine. That's good. That's good. That's good. Right. All right. That's this. Maybe the next step is. I don't know what the next step is. Can we actually telescope in this buffer? We can. That's amazing. Actually, we need to have. I think the next step is this LSP thing. Treesitter, basically. The problem is the moment Treesitter comes in, Treesitter is fucking up your color scheme. So you could say fucking up your color scheme or making it even more better. It depends what you think about that. What is this? X-ray.co. Damn, man. I hope I'm like curious like Anthony after doing this for 20 years. Yeah, believe it or not, but I've been in this space for a long time. Treesitter. Let's get this bad boy. Let's get this. What is this? Is this all Treesitter? Wait, what up? Wait, what's going on here? Am I fucking this up? Yeah. I'm yanking this. It's like, it's weird. What's going on here? Okay, telescope here. I think Treesitter here then, I guess. highlight, edit, navigate code. Yeah. Okay, what is that? Diagnostic disable. Clear that. Disable next line missing fields. How can you know all that stuff, man? Some languages depends on Vim. Auto install languages are not installed. True. Do we need Golang in here or what is that? Wait, we made a mistake. Look at that. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, that's the end of the config. I think it's like that. Is this true? Right, quit. Okay, it's fine. Good. So how do we know Treesitter is installed? That's a question, huh? Init Lua, open up. Yeah, we can see it. Look at that. It changes everything. So can we do something like a TS disable? TS. How do we do that? TS disable for a language. Day 7305 as a junior developer. DUI for deleting stuff. Yeah, like I said, if I delete stuff, I just press DD. Or I visual select and press D. They're all way, like I said, I'm not efficient at all. I'm using a very subset. That's why I can live in VS Code, you know what I mean? Because using a subset. If I go back when I start using Vim, I wish I expanded my knowledge a little bit. I used some stuff, I used some motions, and I was happy with it, and I never looked beyond. You know? That's weird. That's weird. Hey. Cheers. Liquid cocaine, baby! Woohoo! Yeah, let's just not fuck up with that thing. That's fine. Seems good. I think we need to have LSP, to be honest, going on. LSP. So let me zoom in each. What's the thing? So basically we have this. Why is that? What's going on here? Well, why is it not working? Treesitter parser for Go has been installed. Wait, is that true? Wait, what's going on here? I need to add Mason. Install LSP config. Do I need to do this again? What's going on again, man? It's like, why is this fine? Look at this. Wait, this is not fine. They're calling new a chunk. You see, that's the thing. That's what I hate, man. That takes so much time. I could make fucking thousands and thousands of euros today, right now, but I can't because I'm in here. I fucked it up, I know, but how? But why? Did I fuck something? No, it's like we paste the stuff in and we hope that all these things are fine. It all started with Treesitter, man. It all started with it. Where the fuck is Groovebox thing? Where is my Groovebox thing? I cannot even see this. Here. There's nothing wrong with this, right? We installed Treesitter and it's GG. What is that? I don't know if everybody's okay at the end of the lazy config. Well, that's what I'm thinking. What is this even? Wait, so this is this thing. So what did we have before? We don't know it anymore. Actually, we can check this. We can check this in the old Lua. How did we do that? We have that. It's the same thing, right? Look at that. Same ending. Line 52. Seems good, huh? Groovebox group. There is no group. We don't have that. I've seen this before. Yeah, that's what it is. Every time I'm doing something in this, it's always a new thing that pops up when nobody knows about. It's like, huh? Wait, let me actually, to be honest. Wait, this is, wait, because let me kill this. Too much stuff going on. So it's actually just a bracket opening another bracket. So if it's a bracket opening another bracket, why do we need this then? Right? Because we don't have anything, we don't have any parenthesis going on. We have one. That's fine. So we want to do this, right? That's the same bullshit. But this is fine. We don't need anything else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna yeet this boy here because that's the cause of all pain. Why is this? I don't know. We don't need this because it's the ends, right? So now we're gonna delete that stuff. Yeah, now we're good. You see Treesitter? Oh, bad. It's a bad man. Alright, so let's do this again. So we're gonna start adding this thing. And then we're gonna add this Treesitter stuff back in. Do we actually need Treesitter, by the way? Do we need that? Why do we... Yeah, for the... Probably for... Do we need Treesitter? Because it fucks up everything. It fucks up my color scheme. I don't know. But we should probably install that, right? Let's go to the old init. Let's call tree set. Are we in the old init? We need the alt init Lua. Alt. This one. You do need it. Yeah, that's what I thought, right? Treesitter, baby. Treesitter. This is the Treesitter. So it's just using an open bracket. An open bracket. It does some stuff. And then a closing bracket. Yeah? It's this, right? An open bracket. And a closing bracket. Groovebox.so. What the hell is that even? Why would you have an object for Groovebox? Yeah, I know. You can do the percentage. Guys, I know. You can do this and then percentage thing, but it's like it doesn't fit my muscle memory. It is what it is. I'm so sorry. Press ZA. Why? Not found. Before a table object. Here. I don't know. Stop. Stop confusing me. Stop. Stop it. What is this group doing? Why is it suddenly a problem? Line 136. ZA. Now what do I need to do? Is it making this problem here, or what is that? Because actually, if we check This one. There are some dependencies in the Treesitter setup. So basically, wait. Oh yeah, that could be right. Wait, let me open up Treesitter. Wait, this is Go Envim. Is that what we need? No, that's not right. So I think the color scheme in the config of the Groovebook plugin. That's something that we did here actually. Let me show. We did this. Required Groovebook setup. So it's a comma here. Oh boy, baby. Where is group here? So we're gonna have all this stuff. How does it work, man? I don't want to copy paste this because the indentation is gonna be bad. So it's something like, let me do it here, right? Let me do it here. Group init function. It's so weird that you can do that. Function, just like this, and then how do we close this function? No bracket at all. I hate programming language with no brackets. We just do end, comma. Right, that's that. So now we can do stuff in here probably, right? Let me do that. Maybe we can actually copy all this bullshit over into this thing. Into this inlet. Paste that in. Oh man. Right, just like that. Alright, something like this. Is that something better, guys? What do you think? Is this gonna work? I have no fucking clue. Yes! Look at that! Thank you so much for the hint. Who was that? Who did that? Mahmoud. Mam000D. Thank you so much. Helping me out. Okay, just a reaction on my YouTube video. What is this guy telling me? Well, why at all do you need a reader? Why not just use buffer instead? Timmy! You're a Timmy! Timmy's commenting on my videos. What did you thought? Clap. Big clap. How is this handsome chat of a man streaming so early? I don't know. I just woke up and you know what I mean? I wanted to stream. It's Bagger. Thanks for the subscription. The Prime sub, good games. Actually, yeah, so this is fine. Now we have this. All good. Treesitter going on. Too much comments in here. We're gonna delete these boys. Configure Treesitter, see help. We don't read help. Chat helps. Delete this. Fine. Boom. Okay. Clean and mean. Clean and mean. Next step. Next step is to basically open up this thing, Alt init. Actually, that's fine. And see how we do this LSP stuff. That's what we're gonna do here. Treesitter does that. X-ray. This is basically this Go stuff. LSP. LSP configuration plugins. We need Mason LSP config envim, and Mason tool installer envim. Okay, cool. Let's just copy this. This is a lot of stuff, right? We need to do a lot of trimming here. Holy crap, man. Holy shit, it keeps going. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, painful. Painful. That's something that maybe... Let's paste that in here. LSP configuration. Alright, let me kill this thing. Automatically install LSP related tools. What is this? Fidget envim. What is this, guys? Nobody knows. New dev. Configures ULSP for your Neovim config. Runtime plugins. Use completion of the... Fine. Create AutoCMD LSP attach. Not remember otherwise. Map N. What is that? Yeah, this is basically normal mode. Yeah, let's just stay away from that. Normal mode, map these keys, it's fine. Let's just stay away from that. Okay, this is GD, right? Very important. We don't use GR. We don't use any of this. We don't use any of this. GY, never heard of. Leader D. Who knows? What's leader D actually, to be honest? Leader D. I don't know what it is. Let's delete that. We cannot. Definition. GD is the only thing we need. So we're going to delete this. Leader DS, we don't care. WS, RN, CA, map K. A pop-up that displays documentation about the word under your cursor. We might keep that. GD. Is a shift K? Go to declaration. We don't need that. It's too complicated for me. Yeah, they are very useful, but if I don't use them, if my brain is not mapped to them, it's like the only thing I use is GD. It's a little bit crazy, isn't it? Like I'm not using all this cool stuff and I still can get shit done. That's something that's so weird for me. It's like I'm using the most simple Timmy editor in the world, using the most basic Vim motions, make so much typos, and still I'm able to make millions. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Local client. Cursor hold. What is this even? Do we really need that? Buff clear. Cursor, let's just stick it, because if we fuck that up. LSP servers, what is this? Capabilities. LSP following language service. Okay, fine. Local servers, C-Lang, P, Rust, and analyzer. Lua. Do we even care? Ensure service and tool above installed. Mason setup, fine. Style Lua, We already did it. Is this gonna work? Nobody knows. Yeah. Can you imagine? CMP and LSP not found. Is it not like a Mason thing? Okay. You miss a plugin. Which plugin is it? Who knows? Hey! CMP. This one it is, I think. Is it that one? Probably it is. Limonada. Lua snip. We don't need snippets, man. The only snip we need is if add is not null. Let's put this thing above here. Shit, no, it's not thing. Yeah, it is. It's not. It is. It's here. Boom. 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 Lua snip. We don't need Lua snippet, it's fine. Snippets are for Timmies. Oh shit, did I make a mistake? No, we didn't. Can we go please into this thing? Yeah, thank you. Add another. Config. Require. Setup. Expand. Completion. Delete this. That's right. Oof. Yeah, this is a problem. What is this? Mapping preset insert. We need to change this. This is this mapping insert, right? Mappings. This is probably mappings. Next item. Scroll documentation window. CB. I don't use that. Enter. Confirm. That's probably the tab. Where's this? C space mapping complete. Think of. Wait. Okay. Can delete that. Can delete that. What is this? CL. Man, how can you... Guys, what the hell is that? How can you remember all these keybinds? How can you even press that? My brain is so small, I cannot comprehend. Now it is. ESLint Go imports. So the thing is that Lua language server, Rust analyzer. I like an anal. I'm an analyzer. Is it everything installed? Press U to update. Go PLS. Let me see if everything is fine. And Vim. No errors. Beautiful. Main. Actually, we don't have that in it. So we could do here. And Vim here. Wait, let me do nvim here. Open up main. Boom. We're already here. Look at that. That's how fast I am. The thing is that, do we have GD and all that stuff working, right? You see, I don't like this color scheme. We need to fix that. It's all the small bits. I don't ask for a lot. It's small bits. His screen is cut off a bit on the left side. Yeah. Yeah, it is. But that's terminal. That's Windows bullshit. That's Windows bullshit. What's going on here? I have Windows, I know, but it is what it is sometimes, boys. That's life. Sometimes you need to make compromises. Ah, no. Parlez-vous français un petit peu, monsieur? Un petit peu beau gosse, parlez français très bien. Actually not. Actually not. We need to keep above 83 views, guys. We need to keep above. Why? So I can be partner. I'm gonna get Twitch partner in 1 week. Can you imagine? People are doing that in a year. They are complaining about it. How can I be Twitch partner? It takes so long. No, man. 1 week is what it takes. Thanks to the Prime Gen, of course, because he shouted me out. Otherwise, it was not possible, right? Otherwise, there were 3 people on Twitch. You know what I mean? It's thanks to the Prime. It's thanks to Daddy Prime, man. He made me famous. Thanks for the sifted gups. Thanks for the sifted gups, man. Franchado, thanks for the sifted gups. Your YouTube definitely also helped that. Well, actually, not really, because I was streaming for a long time, like 1.5 years on YouTube, and I had over 100 viewers on live streams. But on Twitch, always was 3 people. 3 people watching me, man. Even though there was 100 people on YouTube and 3 on Twitch. And now it's kind of the same but different. Thanks, because yeah, some people. It's also a different audience. One for sure. Like on YouTube, they don't really understand my jokes and understand the slang that we are talking about. They are on YouTube. They are here to learn, and they are very focused and very nice people, right? Very hardworking people that want to learn. On Twitch. Also, but on Twitch, people are a little bit more in the gaming scene and they know all these slang that I'm using, and you know what I mean? They know. These boys know. On YouTube also a little bit, but there's a little difference. A little difference. Hey, Timmy. So basically, wait, the hard part needs to come, right? This is the easy part of the setup. Now it's the GG small little bits that I want. The GD, is it gonna work actually, to be honest? Let me see, what can we do here? Let's go to, do we have a listener, this one. Boom, look at that, beautiful. So what I want, somebody need to help me with that, is if I go to listener, I want to open that up in a new buffer. And the buffer needs to be in here. It needs to be this buffer here, like, and then how do I do that? Open this up in a new buffer. Or what you also could do is, how can I go back without doing this? But that's fine. A buffer is better, so I can keep it open and toggle between the buffers. That's what I want. That's like like we do in VS Code, right? Like I did it before. So we need to go back to the configuration. Here. Let me search for GD, by the way. Here. So GD, required telescope, built-in LSP definitions. Go to definition. Okay, now. Control T. Yeah, huh? What does Control T do? I don't like control. I'm not gonna lie. God damn it, man. This works. That's crazy. That's mind blowing. GD, but Control T, I don't like. It's like Control T is like, I don't know. I don't like that. Control T. Leader T would be nice. Bubble T. Control T. Look at that. Yeah, that's something I need to learn then again. But I don't want to learn that. How can we fix that? How can we fix a buffer? Can you GD again? Can we GD 2 times in it? Nah, we can't, right? Make it bind into what you like. It's like a stack. Remap it. Yeah. Remap. That's actually, that's a play. But now I need to... Then I need to learn that. Thanks for the follow, Nathan. Then I need to learn that, man. I need to learn how to go back out of my GD. Like, I just wanna... Actually, I'm a Timmy. Let me show you what I actually do in VS Code. Look at that. So let me go this. So in VS Code, I do this. Let me... Right, so I'm gonna open up code here. So what I do is... Look at that. What I do is this. So I go to listener here, right? GD, and then I close the file. That's what mapped in my muscle memory. GD. And close the file. Colon Q. To go back. Or I GD and I tab. You see, I tab this. That's what I want. This is very important for me to have these tabs open. To have these files open so I can circle between them. You know what I mean? It's like sometimes I split, and especially when I'm streaming at this big font, I not split that much, and I use this to a little bit of a scuffed harpoon, a very scuffed harpoon, very scuffed, like a very scuffed Timmy thing. But hey, it is what it is. Use Barbar plugin for that. Barbar. I don't know what Barbar is. Control O, but stop! I don't want Control O, man. Control is too hard for me. Barbar. What the hell is Barbar, man? Barbar Neovim. What's that? Barbar, the Neovim tabline plugin. Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah, the Barbar. Barbar is what we need. But actually, you could use buffers. That's the same thing as Barbar. But I like the name. Barbar. 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 Get some. We don't need this, man. Do we need get some? Yeah, we need that. Ah, these are buffers just in a different representation. We don't need this representation. If it's just a representation, we don't care. We don't care, to be honest. Maybe. Let's just first make it work. Right? Let's just first make it work here and Vim. Wait, we need to be here. So how can we do that? GD. GD into a buffer. How do we do that? Help me. Because what I also want is this. Let me open up this, guys. You need to help me, right? So what I also want is if I go here, right? I'm here in this buffer. That's what I call my initial buffer. But then I want to open up, for example, I want to open up ProtoGo. So I go to ProtoGo, I press enter, but it's basically overwriting my buffer. I don't want that. I want it to have in a new buffer so I can have multiple buffers open and tab between them. That's what I want. How do we do that? You know? How is it possible? Check your open buffers. Nah, you have two buffers open right now. No? I have no fucking clue. How do I check that? Either use telescope buffer, Control T and telescope. Wait. I'm confused. Pressing leader twice will show open buffers. Is that? No, it's not. It's not. Because maybe I have none. Wait. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not working. Vim keep upset and GT. Tab split. Control T is bro. The tag stack is empty. I don't know what a tag stack is, boy. Leader twice is showing open buffers with the kickstart config. You probably delete that key map. Good games, yeah. It's a new buffer. Check your telescope setup. But I'm asking for easy stuff. I'm asking for open this up in a new buffer. That's the only thing I want. In a new buffer. Like a tab buffer, like a tab, a new thing. You know what I mean? That's the only thing I want. GT. Try leader space. My leader is space. But okay, yeah, okay, buff. Now we are talking. Buffers. Wait, buffers here, right? Yeah, so these things need to be as tabs. That's what I want. Actually, but there's sometimes you have these buffers that are acting as a tab. I don't understand. Like I said, that's what I want. That's what Barbar did. Okay, Barbar using that. Okay, cool. Let's Barbar. It's Barbar. It is what it is. Barbar is the play. It's the Barbar angle here. And I understand. This is a little bit for Timmy's. I understand that. I understand. Barbar is for Timmy's, but it's fine. Where I'm gonna place this? Let me place this at the end here. Is it here? Maybe. I need to do it like that because it's another thingy. Can we just do this? Boop. Wait, can we do... I like that more. Missing symbol. Missing symbol. I'm gonna paste it in here. Can we save this? Why is it not auto-formatting for me? Why is it not auto-formatting for me? I think it's fine, right? This is good. This is good. Get signs, yada yada yada. Where's this? Animation insert add. Wait, like that. Barbar auto setup false. Let me do this. And Vim. It's always the same thing, man. This Lua is the worst language in the fucking history. It's so bad. It's like Python. It's like these indentations and all that stuff. Can you just make a normal programming language where we can see with our eyes? These boomers, I as a boomer, I can see what's going on by just looking at my code. 203. Why is it not telling me that? This seems like a problem. Okay. Barbar. Aha, Barbar. I see Barbar things going on here. I see Barbar things. Let me close this and then open main here. Okay, so this is... Yes! Yes, that's what we need. Yes, baby. How can I go back to main? I can toggle. Like a toggle. Yes, man. That's what we need. Look at that. It's starting to look very good. It's starting to look very good. You see, that's how I toggle between this. I want to have that in this editor. So I'm going to show you what the key bindings are. Actually, let me read the config. Barbar. Yeah. Give me some. Oh yeah, that's what we need. No remap. I know people. Neovim are gonna. They're gonna reorder. No, I don't wanna. I wanna move. Move to previous neck. That's what I want. I think it's this. I'm gonna copy this real quick, and we're gonna actually make it better, right? Barbar. Let me do it here. Can we do that just here? Like that. Missing symbol. Shut the fuck up. Okay, that's not gonna work. So how can we do that? How can we do that? How can we set these things? Let me comment these things. Let me comment these things here. Like that. How can we set this no remap to... This needs to be like that. So I'm using shift. I'm using the shift key. I know, this is the... I know. Don't judge. No, I'm using... What am I using? I'm using Alt, Shift. Yeah, Alt, Shift. That's what I need. Alt, Shift, this, and that. You know what I mean? How do I do that? Alt, Shift is the... I know. Guys, don't judge me. Once again. That's what I use. To toggle between buffers. When I'm in here. Okay. Copy line 37 and update it. What is that? Vim CMD. You're gonna break a finger. No, it's not. Actually, it's not. It's like... It's not. So you're at your home. I know, it's scuffed. I swear to God. I know. So... But it's like you're at your home row and then you just swap your hand like that. But I rebinded my alt key. Yeah, I need to explain. So do you see this? The Windows key. You see the Windows key? The Windows key is my alt key. So my alt key is just my thumb. So I can quickly, it's for gaming also. Right? Alt is... The Windows key is my alt key next to my space. Very easy. It's super easy to reach. Boom, boom, boom. And then I just... Yeah. It works for me, guys. I know. Like I said, I'm inefficient. You know what I mean? Vim key map set buffer previous. I'm gonna copy this thing. Luckily, I have chat, man. I'm so... Thanks for being here, man. Thanks for helping me out a little bit. Let's that. See, and normal mode. This real stuff here is buffer previous. So, it could be different. So, we're gonna see this real quick. Can we do that? Let me end them back in because ASO is not gonna work. Wait, we need to do it here to be honest. Let me open up. Let Proto for example. Wait, no. Yeah, but yeah, of course. It's the thingy. It's doing the stupid Windows thing. It has the same things here for some fucking reason. How do I do that? Here, previous tab. Man, you're still doing that. Save. Okay, the next tab. The next tab is working. Where is next tab? Next tab. New tab. Next tab. Alright. It's not working. Wait. Damn, now I need to click to go. Yeah, oh man. The question is this actually alt key? I can actually test that, right? If I open up this alt thing. Can we get this mouse out of here? Yeah, it's just doing this. How can I cannot click it. Yeah, this is not working. MS. Is this alt? It probably is. Don't forget to do the buffer. Yeah, I know. The thing is that... Can we do buffer? It's probably buffer next, right? It's not. That's not really working. That's the problem. Maybe I should. Maybe I should for once. Okay, yeah, that's working, right? Buffer previous, buffer next. MS. M is alt, S is shift. That's what I'm using, right? But maybe I had the problem with this alt key for so long. And I don't know what it is. Is it because I'm rebinding that? Wait, is it? No, it's not. It's... What is this key? Yeah, it's this key, right? It's fine. Because shift, yeah, is that. But I need shift. That's the problem. I need shift. But indeed, shift is going to be this, right? Shift. Shift. Shift this thing is actually this thing, right? Maybe it's doing that. Ah, yeah. Wait, this is... Yo, this is actually... Look at that. They say, use this. Use this. That would be crazy if that works. That would be big brain, man. You guys are so fucking smart. Is that gonna work? We can't, right? That cannot work. It works! What's this crazy? Okay. What the hell, man? I wouldn't think about that. I swear to God, I wouldn't think about that. Who was this? Man, this is like next level. Holy shit. How are you still poor if you're so fucking smart? How is it even possible? Yeah, so now I can... Oh, this feels so good. Look at that. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. Now I need to do this, but it's fine because I have one terminal at all times. I just have these two for... I don't know. Let me do this. Main. So now we can code, right? Actually, let's zoom in. So now we can actually code. Because now we can do... Open up proto, for example. Right? And then I can actually go back here and go back here. Open up a test. Do we have a test? Yeah, we have. So now I can go to main and then say, for example, yo, I want to have this. Let's copy this. Go to my test, you see? And then just paste it in. That's what I do. That's how I program, you see? Amazing! Okay, next step. You see this? When I overthink, it all turns out in the special color. How can we delete that? I don't want this. You see? It's doing weird stuff. We don't want that. That's something we need to fix. The next thing we need to fix is this. For example, I delete FMT. It's not saving. Go imports. Where are you? Actually, are we having something? No. So go. We need to install the Go stuff. Very important. Yeah, Tmux works, of course, but I can't. I can't use that. I can't use that. Install Go imports from Mason. I did. I think I did, man. Mason. You see, this is installed, isn't it? Go imports. But why is it not working? Why is this not working? I need to P. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the subscription on YouTube. Kickoff. Follow. Thank you so much, man. Check L. Yeah, so guys, think about this. I'm gonna be back in 10 seconds. No, that's not true. In a minute. I'm gonna pee and do some and come back. So think about why Go PLS is probably working, because otherwise we cannot GD, I think. But Go import is not working, so we don't have the formatter set up, right? No formatter, right? No formatter here. Formatter. And also no imports. Right? Why? Why? Figure this out. Okay? Be right back. Okay, I'm back, huh? Oh, all right. So I also have this. Look at that, 50 grams, 50 fucking grams of protein. That's what I eat in the morning. Just one of these. Like it's 50 grams of protein. It's huge. It's like how many? 500 gram. It's half a kilo yogurt. Yeah, baby. That's what it takes. All right. Oh shit, somebody is pasting stuff. Marcy Barland, man. You have to set up GoPLS and ESP config settings like... Okay, I see. We're gonna check that. I'm first gonna open up my Pro Quark. That's what I'm gonna do. Awesome topic. I like your stream, it's very authentic. Thanks, man. I'm a very authentic, autistic person as well. Basically... What you see... Where's my spoon? There is no spoon. Spoon. GoFMT working. Holy cow. From Albert Heijn? Yeah. No. Yes. No. No. Yeah. I'm so sorry for this confusion. It's not from Albert Heijn, but it's from a Dutch shop. It's the MCD, to be honest. The MCD. Lekker! But you can also find them in Albert Heijn. Oh man, wait, sorry guys, I need to... That's the first thing I eat. I was thinking about fasting, but I'm so hungry. Okay. Okay, let's click Timmy here. Yeah, so what's going on here? Let me open up. So we have... You have to set up GoPLS in the LSP config with settings like LSP config GoPLS setup on it. Ooh, baby. Alright. Check the conform settings to include formatters by FT. Okay. And now we need to do sequentially go is import GoFMT. Okay. So, yeah. Let's go to formatters. Matters. Formatters. We don't have that. Did we delete that? We probably did. Let me open up alternate Lua. We don't have that. I think I deleted that, to be honest. So we need to... Where do we need to do that? Let me clear the screen. Search conform. Alright. Oh shit, we don't have that. Conform. Conform. We don't have that even. Do we have it in here? In the old one? We don't. Okay. Alright, so how do we do that? It's in the LSP, right? Because I had that. Blind homies. How do we do this? Conform. Where's this? Auto format. Alright. Thanks so much. Guys, you guys are so awesome. Did I already told you? I don't understand. Why are you guys so awesome, man? Why is Reddit so bad? And you guys are so awesome. How is this possible? How is it even possible? Why are there so many diversity? It's like all why? Where are you gonna place this? Where are we gonna place this? Barbar. We're gonna place it here, just because. Right? And we need to have this indentation. Oh yeah, that's the Lua thing. That's why it doesn't work. Actually, low-key, if we just do not format it, and we just save this. Leader F, what is that? We don't want that. Maybe we do. Let me save. Let me actually right quit this thing. Right quit. Wait, do we have this comma here? This is already up. Let's just cross fingers here and hope that's intended. That's an intended thing. Let's do that. It is an intended thing. That's beautiful. So actually, normally, where is our unformatted stuff? Can I just use conform? Yeah. Save. Yes! I love the feeling of auto formatting. It's like your whole world comes together. It's like everything is bad, you're depressed, you press save and everything goes. But let us be honest, how many times did we actually waste trying to format stuff ourselves and it's just nasty, man. Bro, seriously, we build a new config in a directory structure. Yeah, exactly. That's what we do. That's how we do. Okay. Formatters by food. Where is this thing? Here. And now we can do go equals this thing and then go FMT. Go imports probably. Go imports and this. Go FMT. Is that a thing? I just sucked that out of my thumb. Well, I saw this. I had some muscle memory. I saw this in chat passing by. So let's do that. Actually, yeah, maybe. Let me open up here real quick. We need to delete that. What's going on here? Quit this thing and Vim again. Main. Yeah, so let's save. Yeah! Wow. So remember that we had this problem? So I'm gonna actually quit this thing real quick, just to make sure we can assess the problem. So the problem was that if we indent this, and we actually save right now, now it works. Now it works. Because remember the problem that if we did that, right? If we did that before and we saved, it actually deleted some stuff. But not anymore. Today is the day. I can feel it, man. Today is the day. I can feel it. Everything works. But this is 500 grams, man. It takes a long time. Did it also imports packages? Yeah, look at that. Let's do this. Let's delete the whole shebang and save. Boom. Easy. Now we are almost there, guys. We can almost just code in this thing. Like we have everything we need. We have this Wait, what's going on? Wait, do we have no buffers anymore? We don't. Wait, let me open up Proto. Look at that, we can actually do this. Toggle between these things. Oh, it's so sexy, man. And even in our tests, look at that. We can do this and then Shift T, boom, and it's... We can't anymore. Shift T is borked. Why is that? Go command, go test. Actually, we need to install this Go thing, I think. Thanks for the follow. It's this... But actually... We cannot test, right? We need to install this package. That's for later on. It doesn't really matter, this testing. It's basically Shift T in a test will run the test. Okay, the next thing we need to do, guys, is... You see this? If I... Let me zoom in. If I hover over Funk, it's changing. The same thing here. Wait. Wait, there's some stuff that actually changes if I... Wait, how can... Yeah, you see binary? And it's selecting all binary. Look at that. It's selecting all these things. All the binaries. How do we delete that? That's annoying. Go.envim. That's what we need, I think. Maybe Vim Illuminate. Did you add a plugin highlighter on a cursor? No, I don't think so, actually. I don't think so. I think... Is it Treesitter? Is it this one? Is it this highlight thing? Use for hold. Why are you guys so good, man? How do you even know all that stuff? It's not this one? I know the next one is a very important one we need to install. It's the comment stuff out. With the control thing. Control thing. Like this. Wait, let's first delete this, right? I think it's this one, right? Is that a thing? We need to... Wait, isn't it? We are not in Go, actually. How do we test that? Here. Huh? Oh yeah, I forget that I cannot do that. Wait, binary. Wait, where is this proto probably? Yeah, let's delete that. Yes, it's done. It's gone. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was annoying. That was annoying. Can we do... Yeah, we can that. And then binary. And then we're gonna find binary everywhere. Wait. Binary. Yeah, that's working pretty fine. Everything is set up, guys. The stars are aligned. Okay, back to this config thing here. Next thing, this common thing. Good morning, Builder404. Good morning. What's up? Yeah, so... A quick thingy. I'm using WSL. And WSL works exactly like you would code in Linux. Trust me, it's the exact same. People say there is some kind of a performance issue, maybe, but not on my PC because it's a crazy PC. It's a 4.5k euro PC. It has the best graphical card, 4080. It has the best CPU. It's crazy, and it has 32 gigs of RAM. It's fine. It's no problem. We can delete this. There is no issue. Legit none. Even not in VS Code, but it's fine. So Comment. How do we... I think it's the comment thing. I already tried to do that. Like, and Neovim. Comment. Look at that. This one, I think it is. Right? Oh, shit. It's for the blind bitches. 10. 10:30. Half past 10, guys. That's fine. Tomorrow is the day, man. Tomorrow is the day. The day. Tomorrow I'll probably not be live. Because tomorrow I'm gonna pick up my car. If everything goes well, if my number plate is there at time, I normally it should be, I don't know, but you never know, right? Trust me, WSL2 is really goated, man. It's really goated, trust me. Opts. Let's copy this. Actually, to be honest, Groovebox is gonna have the first thing. Groovebox is live, guys. We need to configure this Groovebox team also. It's gonna be nasty. Let's paste that in here. Save because we're gonna format. It's not. Because we need to do this, and now it's not. That's annoying. Because I just pressed the wrong buttons, man. Add any options here, fine. Lazy, What is the default keybind? I think it's GCC, right? GCC is the default. I remember that. It's installing that stuff. I like that. I love it. Init. So GCC. So GCC. Okay, cool. That's... Man, this is... The G key is too far from my... I have small hands. Godly hands, but small. So it's GCC. It's the worst keybind in the fucking planet. Actually, to be honest, I don't think there is something like a wrong or a bad keybind. It's just all what you're used to. It's just all what you're used to. Remember Peekaboo from the streamer Peekaboo? Peekaboo IRL. The rogue. Best rogue in the world. The best. He's insane. He's an amazing streamer. He's an amazing person. He's the best rogue in the fucking world. His keybinds are crazy. It's like... But I think he's long fingers. But like, this is insane. But if you do that for 10 years... Everything just works out of the bat, right? It doesn't really matter. Peekaboo IRL. World of Warcraft player. Rogue. Press V and then GC. So that's what we want. So what keybinds do we want here? We want to select these things. And then we want to press this. Control. CTRL plus... this. Or something that also can be is, for example, actually Alt. If I can do Alt, like on my Mac. On my MacBook, it's the Mac thingy, but on my Windows, I have rebounded the Windows key to Alt, so it's the same thing. So if I can do Alt, this, we are Gucci, right? So let's configure this thing. Here, options. We need to do something here. What do we need to do? Something like that. I just want to have the visual style. How do I do that? Just this thing, Alt, slash. That's what I want. I know. But how do we configure that? You know what I mean? How can we insert that thing? Because they're saying here like you could do a above and a below and what's going on, and a line and a block. It's a line is what we need, right? A line. Is that a thing? Okay. That's how you guys do that. Wait. So you say that I can do something like that. We don't need to be in here, right? So we could do something like this. Let's paste this bad boy in here. Key map set. It's gonna be Vim. Key map set. Visual style. Slash thing. GC. Right? Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Wait. No, it's not. It's not working. Builder 404. Builder 404 with the facts, man. I've heard VS Code is ready to be used out of the box. Yeah, it is. Actually, to be honest, not. Like, I have some stuff going on in my VS Code to make it work. I have some weird remappings. Is it GCC then? No, guys, it's not working. What's going on? Maybe we can't do that because it needs to initialize or something. GC. I'm confused, I'm not gonna lie. It's not gonna work, right? How can this work? Man, what is that? Bro woke up for Neovim, yeah. Oh, man. Mammoth. But where do I place this op leader? Where do I place that? Who's Ace Rush? Man, I'm getting like four suggestions what I need to do, and they are all the same, all different. I mean, inside the setup plugin. I think that's gonna be the best bet. Let's delete this thing. Here. Inside of the setup plugin. Is here? Just use Notepad. Yeah, maybe I should. Can we just do this in ops, please? Or do we need to require that? We need to require that, right? Something like. I need to require that. Like this. Setup. And then, how does it work? How does that work? Do we need to do it in here? Like this? Require comment.setup. Yeah, and then. That's something I know, but now I'm confused. Like, where do we place that in? Ah, we can do it like this. That's crazy. Alright. Missing fields, I know. Let me get some space here. I hate that. Okay, so now we need to do... Wait, and now we need to do... Thanks for the follow, Skivyam. Thanks for the follow. I love you, bros. Ah, here is this, man. What the hell is that? Okay, op leader. So I can actually do that. Why is op leader even? Why is that for a thing? Missing the quiet field. Ah, my eyes hurt so much. What's going on here? Because we have that. Wait, why is this comment? Man, why is this? What is this? Can we do just like that then? You see, that's what I don't understand in this language. Can somebody just paste in the syntax I need, man? Without a comment. Then Miles is comfy. I'm gonna do that. How are you guys so smart, man? How are you guys? How can you handle this thing? I'll delete that. I'll go back here. Here. Okay, so man, I swear to God, I just copied thing. I just copied your thing, man. Look at that. Look at what I got. Look what you did to me, man. You did me dirty. Just get rid of the pre-hooking is good. Yeah, okay, cool. What is this pre-hook thing? You don't need this or the whole shebang. Why does it give me a problem? Require common setup. Config. This seems good, right? And so what's going on? Maybe this thing? No, it's not. Missing required fields in config. Padding sticky. Ignore. I think it's fine. Just what you had. Common block V. Line wise toggle. Leader she. It's fine. So now I want this. What's this? It's the same thing. We need to do this 2 times probably. So how do we make this M, right? How do we do that again? M for alt. M dot slash is all we need. Something like, can we do this? Probably not, right? You probably cannot do that. Do we need to do something like that? I have no clue. So help me out a little bit. Okay, it's like that. Like this, right? That's fine. This slash that. Something like this. Beautiful. Is that gonna work? I think we're gonna have some problems with some. It's not. Well, it's my lucky time. Yes, baby! Ah, that feels so good if something works. Oh. Oh yeah. The thing is, I think, to be honest, if you know all that stuff, right? If you spend some time and you know how things work and how you can, because they all have the same kind of thing that's repeating, this config, this init, blah blah blah, then it's good. Then it's good. It's just a warning. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's fine. Okay. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. I think we need 2 things more. We need to maybe, well, the groovebox thing I can do myself. Some little tweaks on the color scheme, that's fine. We need the command line, the terminal. I know a lot of people don't use that. Like back in the day, I just used this quote exclamation mark go run main.go or something. I used that as my command line, but it's not. It's a little bit weird. It's a little bit weird. We need dev and demo. Toggle term. Yeah, that's what I had. Toggle term. I had that before. We are having problems building a 11 organization. It's there for months. I don't know. And we still have access, so I don't know what's going on. It's hard to use. Is that? Oh shit, sorry YouTubers. What's going on? You're lazy. I run Tmux. Yeah, nice. Good. Tmux is nice. How do you import function from another one file and go? You just copy it. Copy and paste actually. You know what I mean? Copy and pasterino. Guys, I wanna have 50k subscribers today. I wanna have that today. It's one watching. Is that a thing, or is that cached? 75. Okay, cool. Imagine one watching, one YouTube. For grandma, man, for grandma. Terminal used in Neovim. For kids. Actually, toggle term. Let me open this up. Toggle. Where did we do that? Here. Yes, that's what we need. Toggle term. No, we don't want to float. Why is it so easy? Why is it so easy? Why are you gonna do that? Group box, of course, the king. Paste it in here. Like that. Comma here. Cops, things you wanna do. Yes, we know that. Version. The latest one. The latest one, huh? And Vim. Alright, now we need to... Now we need to make sure that we toggle this thing. Look at that, man. This is what we need. All feels so old school, I'm not gonna lie. But it's good, because I'm a boomer anyway. And tomorrow I have a beamer anyway. Yeah. I swear to God. Guys. Imagine you have a $1 billion company called Google. And you want to basically get some market share from Twitch. So you want to have streamers on your platform. Imagine Dr. Disrespect, right? So Dr. Disrespect comes from Twitch, where people can interact with them like on the second. Now he needs to go to YouTube, where there is a delay of 1 minute. I mean, how bad should he feel? Now we are in this terminal. Now we're fucked, isn't it? Right? How do we actually get out of this terminal? Toggle term. So now we need to toggle the term. Aren't they well into trillion at this point? Well, trillion is... Guys, a billion is a lot. A trillion is basically... How can you be a trillionaire? It doesn't really... Can you... Meaning he's gonna get 7 tickets. Look at that. These guys... You guys come up. It's nice, man. Direction horizontal size 10. Yeah, something like that. And then an open mapping. That's beautiful. Where do we place that? Let's kick this thing in. Actually, we already have that. Boy's gonna lose his license tomorrow. No, it's not. I'm gonna be very... It's probably gonna rain and all that stuff, and I'm gonna be very, very carefully. Very carefully, because I am not used to that power. I'm not used to that power. Direction. Yeah, so where is this thing? Toggle Tormos. Toggle Tormi. Options. So I want to do everything in options. Actually, let me see how we did that with comment here. So we do... Well, why are they doing like that? Can we just... This 2023... Aha. Setup. But we can do these things, these setup things, we can do that inside of this, right? Can we not? Because it's like this config function. Can we do... Oh, yeah, I see how it works. So we can do something like... Config function. We don't need that. Actually, end, comma, probably. And now we can actually do something like... Let me try this. Let me try this real quick. Require. Probably toggle term. Small caps. The require toggle term dot setup. And then we're gonna have these things, these codes probably. Press enter. Let me save for... Yes, fine. Yeah, okay, cool. Then we have size, function, direction. Open mapping. It's a toggle. Is the open mapping the toggle mapping or just the open mapping? Oh, it's just ops here. It's just in ops actually. Well, let's do this. It doesn't really matter. I think we could do this. Like, how do you call that? People are direction. Direction is, we don't need that. It works like this. Horizontal. Right. Copy this thing, paste that over. It's gonna be size, I don't know. What's the size? Something like 20 or something, I don't know. And it's gonna be the open mapping. How do we do that? Do we need to do it like that? That's crazy. It's gonna be MJ. Nice. No problems. Okay, that's not working. MJ, it's not working, right? But it's fine. There's probably some miss thingy. It's probably the... I still have not completed this 500 grams of yogurt, man. Wait, is this not gonna work like this? Do I need to do it like this then? Wait, let me do that. Let me do it like this. Alright? Oh, we are in it. We are in it, right? It's not working. So the thing is, I'm still a little bit confused. Like, do we need to require... Can we just do it in ops here? Or do we need to have this function? I don't know, right? Maybe just config like that. Maybe just do it like this. That should work. Remove config. This one then. This one. Is that a thing? Oh man, I'm always trying to get this in a thingy. Yes! Yes! Alright, so the next thing is 20 is a little bit too... You see, I should have listened. I shouldn't listen to his recommendation of 10. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. Yes! Look at that. That's what the Primogen needs to do. That's what the Prime needed to be done when he was on my stream. But no. Lazy. Lazy Mr. Streamer. Let's open up Kickstart for the Timmies. And let's basically... No, man. No. That's what we needed to do. If we did that, then and I was already using it. But no, we needed to do Kickstart. Like, the lazy stuff. For the Timmies. So, what do we need more? Oh. 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 Beautiful! I'm happy. How do you say that? I'm a happy camper, not gonna lie. I'm a happy camper. I'm so sorry. I'm thinking. The only way to know what we're missing is to basically open up a Go file. Alright, so what do we hate? The first of all, I don't like this color scheme. How can I disable the Treesitter color scheme for a specific language? Like, not disable the features of Treesitter, but disable the highlighting. Because Treesitter makes a color scheme more colorful. Yo, what's up, Bram? What's up, man? What's up? Welcome, welcome. What's going on? The YouTube chat is bored. He doesn't expect to see the group. Alright. You see, so now we can actually, you can do make here. Boom, look at that. Make here. Okay, we got a new message. Nice. Okay, cool. We do this. Boom, boom, boom. Split the screen if we can. Boom, 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 boom. Delete that. Go to Proto. Proto here. Boom. We can even swap Proto this thing. Perfectly fine. Even go to the folder here. Oh man, amazing. Look at that. Okay. How do we... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Clear, boom. Ah, oh, it's beautiful. That's what I need. Just these things, and I'm happy. One more thing is the config stuff here, I think. Yeah. The thing, the thingy here. So TS inspect. What was that? TS disable. TS disable highlight. Ah, yeah. Yeah. TS disable highlight. Yes! You see, and Groovebox suddenly turns into Groovebox. With the magic blink of an eye. Groovebox turns into Groovebox. Guys, we did it. That's what the problem was. It was Treesitter. Well, actually, this is like a little bit too white, to be honest. This is white. Wait, how can we... Can we code into here? Look at that. What do we miss here? Yeah, it's making this map like yellow. Okay, seems good. Seems very good, yeah. Okay, where is this white section? I had some white section here. Something like here, this one. It is just a white section, man. It's perfectly fine, bro. Yeah, actually this should be aqua, but hey. Hey. You know, and this should also be aqua. It doesn't really matter. That's actually, I don't care. The less colors, the better for me. You know what I mean? It's like, imagine using, how does it call that? Monokai, man. But lazy Vim and all that stuff. Simple crystal like lazy Vim. And I don't need the boilerplate. The boilerplate has too much for me. I use very simple stuff, and we are done actually. We have everything we need. We have everything we need, guys. Everything. One more thing is that we're gonna disable TS. We need to have a command. We need to make a command that disables this. And every time we start, we need to make a command. Wait, we need one more thing. Is this 20 lines of space? How did we do that? Alt, I think we know that. Let me search for 20. Okay, we don't know that. There's something that was called... Scroll off. That's it, man. Guys, you know everything, man. This Joyce, man, he knows... Hey, it's just an option. We have that. That already works. What am I complaining at? It's fine. That's already getting taken care of. Okay, so we need to set a command that disables... What the hell is that here? Get this guy out of here. What's going on, man? Long live chaos. Okay. How can we make a command? Make a command that disables... Wait, that does this. That does this. TS disable highlight. Actually, I think it's going to be... We need to do one more thing. Look at that. If I press enter, that works out of the bat. How do we do it in VS Code, actually? That means, how do I do that? Tab. It's tab. We need to do tab. This needs to be tab. Highlight, tab. You see, that doesn't work. It needs to be tab and enter. Tab and enter needs to work. Now we need to do that because I don't know what I'm using. TS disable highlight. You see, it doesn't work. Highlight. How do we do that? Let me see, chat. Oh, where you called? Oh, where you call? Treesitter configs. Actually, we could do it directly. You see, I'm such a boomer, man. Treesitter, like here. Ops, config, require. Can I do this? Can I just do that in this function? No, it's not. We need to... How do you guys see everything so much faster than me? How is this even possible? I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. I'm a Timmy. I'm getting old. I forgot that I cannot. Yes! Now we have no, one more thing. Maybe we need to make this black. Red. What? Yeah, I want to have this red, and then it's GG. That's the only thing I want, because this is like your eyes are basically focused on these things. That's the only thing it needs. Red. How does it call? What is this keyword being called? Tell me everything. Benadruk. Thanks so much for the silvered message, but I don't know what it is. What up, Timmy? How are you doing? I'm doing fine, man. We're having a blast. We are done configuring that. Almost. Ah, you can do expect. Is that? You can do. Wow, but this. How did I not know this? So now we have go type links to Groovebox yellow. Wait, is this the same thing as that? Go type. And what is this then? Probably the same thing. Chant type string int. That's probably the same inspecting, right? No, go signed inst. Okay, cool. And this one, hopefully this is something else. Because then we're golden, right? Inspect. Oh, that's a problem. Because then it's going to make the string also red. And that's not the case. You see? Go type. But maybe it's like inspect. I can't even type inspect. Go type, yeah. Oh, it's fine. Alright, cool. This is nice. It's fine. I will figure this out. I mean, it doesn't really. They are the same Heil group. Yeah, it's fucked up, right? But it's good. It's good. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. So proto heat, now we can switch these things too, it's perfectly fine. And if we open our test, this one, yes, that's what we want, right? Wait, this shift T for testing our stuff we need to fix, and the tab thingy. And the tab thingy. Clear this thing. And then. Yeah. How do we do that? Complete. Select previous item, we don't actually care about that. It's insert. Thanks for the follow. Saltia. Control Y. Compare mappings, confirm complete. But I thought I saw this somewhere. I don't know. I saw it somewhere, but I cannot find. Here, it's enter, right? Mapping confirm select is true. But I want to have multiple. I want to have multiple here. Right? Because do I use tab or do I use enter? I think I use tab. Is tab like this? He uses Kickstart setup. No, I don't. I don't use Kickstart setup. This is no Kickstart setup. This is custom. This is copied from the Kickstart setup, but only what we need. I want this. Tab and enter. Those two I want. How do we do that? Can we do just this? That will work. Is it going to do these two things at once? Is that a thing? That's crazy, actually, how you could do that. Let me actually do this again. Open up main directly. Main, actually. And let's try something here. Like, Amazing. Amazing! Now we're gone, right? Okay, that works, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can feel it. You see, now it's the exact same, right? As VS Code. It's the exact same, just the color scheme, but it is what it is. Now I have the exact same setup, right? The exact same. And now we can code, right? Now it's fine. Now it's GG. You know, we can even have the Shift K, which I missed in VS Code, to be honest. What's going on? How can I? Yeah, okay, fine. Aren't your lines still too close to your liking? Yeah, they are. And the thing is, I have Windows Terminal Preview. And normally in Preview you can do that, but I don't know how. But it's a terminal thing, right? You cannot do anything about that. But it's fine, it's not a big of a deal, right? We're not gonna complain about that. So basically, I'm gonna see if... Yeah, it's working pretty fine. My AVR, API versions, I can tap that, do this. Let me see, binary write. I don't like this. Oh no, that's basically hinting me for an error. Okay, I see. I can see binary writes. Actually, binary big endian. Yeah, okay, cool. It works perfectly fine. The same thing, same behavior, same kind of flow we have. All right. What do we need next? For me, because tab does tab. Yeah, actually, to be honest. But it works, right? Tab taps, right? I'm used to that tab because it's like a classical editor thing, right? What are we missing, actually? Nothing, right? 1 hour later, it's done. The file explorer thing, but I don't need the file explorer thing. I never use a file explorer, to be honest. That's for Timmies. A file explorer is for Timmies. If I really wanna inspect what I have, I do X. Right? I do X here and I can select if I really want to. But to be honest, most of the time you go with the fuzzy finder anyway, right? Your fuzzy finder is your file explorer. That's what I think. It's a better X. Yeah, true. But it's like, man, are we going to install? Let's install that. Let's install it. It's gonna be Alt B to toggle it. I'm thinking about something else. I'm trying to think about something else we need to install. Yummy mommy. Tech support, thanks for the follow. Actually, there's some pain in my back. Oh, it's from the beverrijden. Beverrijden. You know what is beverrijden? It's basically riding a beaver. So my kids, before they go to sleep, they can ride a beaver, and I'm the beaver, and then they sit on my back with two, and then I do some hup, paardje, hup. You know what I mean? Man, and I do this for 3 days straight, every evening, and my back hurts like shit. I'm not gonna lie. Bobber. Bobber. You need nerd font icons? No, we don't need that. Icons is for Timmies. The same, but I'm a bear. Yeah, sometime I was an otter, I was a beaver, I was everything. A dragon, I was also a dragon, like dragon riding. But I was basically getting bored, so now we changed that to beaver riding. Yeah, but my back is fucking scuffed, I'm gonna lie. Oh man. Bobber. I like the bobber, man. Guys, if you have bobber memes, you can send every bobber meme you want. That's amazing. I want a bobber icon, man. A bobber icon. How do you say that? A bobber thingy. How do we call that? A bobber emote. We need a bobber emote. How do we make that? How many files are you working at a time? Ya pierdo le bobber. What does that mean, actually? What is this guy telling? What is this guy telling? This is so funny, man. Bobber. This is crazy. Bobber. Fucking a beaver. Wait. I don't, yeah. Oh yeah, so you mean the icons to change it? Yeah. Okay, yeah, maybe we can, but that's like, yeah, it's not a big of a deal. Your highlight is bad. Why? Hey Anthony, I learned so much from your channel. Thank you so much. Keep up the quality content. Hey man, thank you. Thank you for being here. Why do you need tabs? Because I'm a Timmy. Because I use these tabs like... Yeah, I don't know. It's just... I don't click tabs. I never click tabs. I mean, it's just... These are my open buffers, and I just toggle them. You know what I mean? I toggle them. For example, if I test, I just toggle these things. You know what I mean? Actually, I want to do that. This test install. Maybe we're gonna use Go Vim instead of this other thing. Where is this guy? It's gonna be Go Vim. This and Fate. I think it's and Fate or something, or Fate and Vim Golang. Not quite sure. This one, Vim Go. There's a little bit of a problem because what do you need that for? For my test. Because what we're gonna do is this, right? So we are at this test here, and if I press leader T, it runs my test. It actually should run it in my... It runs my test. It runs test under cursor. The thing is, we need to have some kind of a Golang package to call that, and you can have, I think, to be honest, let me open up here. This is gonna be... Wait, I can... Do I need to split my screen? You see, I can do my alt. Wait, I'm in Go. Let me go here. This one. Wait, this is the old one, right? Hey, this one. Ray X Go Envim. Yeah, it's like Harpoon. It's exactly like Harpoon, but not that good. It's just like... It's Harpoon on a couple milliseconds delay. To be honest. And... Yeah. I'm used to that for such a long time. It's you know what I mean? I'm thinking, should we install this Go Envim package or the normal Envim? The normal, the Fate Go.vim. What is a buffer? A buffer is basically a place where bytes are stored. And now you have I have basically two buffers open, two places where bytes are stored. The init Lua is a buffer, an array of bytes, and old new init Lua is an array of bytes. And you can basically decide which buffer you're gonna modify, on which buffer you're gonna add or delete bytes to, because that's exactly what it is, right? Of course, this is a string representation, but by the end, you're just modifying bytes in an array, in a buffer, in an array. Yeah. Go test Envim. Actually, that's maybe even better because we don't need... Man, this is exactly what we need, to be honest. But you can use this. Let me copy that then, huh? Where? Autocomplete. Let's paste it in here. Save it. Yeah, I remember. Normally, if I search for something, if I want to clear this, I just do this. Like, I quickly type in something that doesn't exist to clear the highlight. But because we have mapped this to escape, right? So I can toggle here with N. That's what I do all my life. But now you can just press escape and it's gone. It's like, my muscle memory is like, it's like this. But now I need to press escape, which is actually better. But I need to remember it. Yeah, let's do this again, right? Vim. Time to stop. We go to the gym very soon, to be honest. Just set up a key binding for your LSP config, go PLS to do that. We can do that. You don't need a plugin for that. Let's actually low key do what Kung Fu Panda actually is telling me. Because why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? We can actually do that. Let's delete this and try it the normal way. The way that I want it. Wait, right, quit. And then again. To be honest, is it gonna delete that? How do we delete a package? Lazy. It's booted. How do we do that? Let's open up. How can we do that? Go LSP. Ah, you can do it like that. Oh no. Ah. Wait, but you're... No, actually, to be honest, Panda, I think we have a problem because the thing is that... Look, we don't want to... Look at this. Let me open up this thing real quick. So we don't want to... If you do this, right? Go test, right? It tests everything, right? But I want to test this function. So you can do that with some reg expression. Right, you could do go test and then do some whatever. I don't know what you need to do to test that. But I want to detect that under the cursor. Yeah, that's why we need it. We need it anyway. So you see, can we actually press this? We need that because otherwise we need to. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Setup. What do we need here? Okay, it's this command. Generate test. So we need to actually this command. So now we need to generate a key binding for that. We don't need this, to be honest. I think we need to do this. Leader T. That. Can we specify? Wait, we need... Did we do the good stuff? That's the question. Let me do this. Ambiguous of user defined command. I think the problem is that we need to do that. We cannot do this question mark. Okay, CMD. CMD stands for this column. Like, do this. Now it makes sense. Now I'm learning here. Why is it not working? Go test. Because we're not in the Go file, maybe, right? Wait. Because now I cannot. You can't. It's not working. Annoying. RayXGo does that have, so it's a win-win. I know, but calm down. We just because we just have something that works, right? We have our Go thing that basically does not delete the buffer, right? So it's formatting, everything works like a fucking charm. So let's keep it that way, and let's just use a package that just does one thing instead of trying to do everything like this Go testing. So what I'm gonna do, it's Go tests, not Go tests. Makes a lot of sense. Is that? Wait. Yeah, it is. FT, here. Alright. So basically, if you click here again, it's a bit annoying that I cannot use my toggle because we binded that. We binded that for our buffers, right? Is it gonna work? Creating characters. So you cannot configure it. That's a little bit nasty because we cannot configure the amount, the verbosity of this thing. I mean, that would be a very bad package. Not gonna lie. If they don't have options for that, that would be a very bad package, man. I'm not gonna lie. That would be a very bad package. You see this clicking? I hate it. Neovim. Did we actually locate that? I don't use anything outside of that package. Disabled any formatting and so on. You can try the command by hand, yeah, but it doesn't, wait, what did I do here? Because it doesn't really work here, right? Go. See, it doesn't even. In the Go file, so yeah, no. Oh, yeah, okay. But still, man, it should still hint, right? Why wouldn't it be pop up? Even if you're not in the Go file, it should be a global command. I don't know why me here. You should install nerd font for glyphs to render properly. Yeah, correct. There's still question marks, huh? Okay, so let's install this Go X-Ray then, because that's what I was using a couple days ago and it worked pretty well. But, I mean... But I don't want to have anything extra out of this package, to be honest, right? I don't want to have anything, you know? Wait, I'm a little bit on my own, to be honest. I was a little bit on my own, you know? Sorry. Sorry guys that I excluded you in my own thinking, right? I was at peace, not gonna lie. I was just sitting there thinking about stuff. I was at peace, man. It doesn't happen very often. Doesn't happen very often, not gonna lie. But I was at fucking peace, not gonna lie. I was like, I don't know. Like, do you know if you smoke weed and you're at the first joint of your day, right? The best one actually, and it hits, and suddenly you disappear for a moment. Like you're in something, and yeah, it's a weird feeling. Like everybody can talk to you, but you just do not comprehend. You're sitting there in your own fucking world. It's the best feeling ever, and that just happened. I think the coffee is kicking, the cafe is kicking out or something. I don't know what it is. Wait, because I had, I had some cool ideas in my mind. It's probably not gonna work. I'm probably not gonna work. I'm gonna paste this in here. Just the same thing, right? So the only thing we need for this goat thingy, actually, let's just YOLO this. YOLO. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna YOLO it. So I'm gonna test it real quick. The first thing we're gonna test is this import thing, right? Look at that. So I'm gonna do this, paste this, save. Okay, it's fine. That's cool. Still good. It's still working. Test. Let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Good. Good shit. Good shit. Boom. Good shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's some weird. Is this thing? Is this not different? T. I mean the asterisk. Is it not another color normally? Testing.t. Okay, it's fine. So it all works. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's fine. We got it. Something is actually a little bit off. I think it's good. I'm not gonna complain. I'm happy here. Man, are we listening to the same song over and over and over again? Is this on repeat? We probably listened to this playlist this morning like 4 times already. Like, it's crazy. Anyway, guys. I think we're there, man. I think we did it. I'm not gonna lie. I think we actually did it. We have everything we need. We can toggle these things. We can write some code. This is working. Response protocol. I can press thing. I can do response. Press enter even, actually. Response. Perfectly fine with this. Correlation ID. That's a little bit weird. Oh, that's because it's not opening my brackets. You see what I mean? If I press enter, that's also a little bit of a hiccup I have. And maybe it's a plugin. You guys can help me with that. Look at that. So I do this, and I press enter, and then I do correlation ID, and it just doesn't work very well. Why? Because if I press enter here, this is what I hate. This highlight of brackets. How can I disable that? You see this? It highlights my brackets. That needs to be away. That needs to be get rid of that. I hate that so hard. If I press enter, the default behavior should be this. So actually an O. Right, let me join that. It should be this. Wait. Huh? What's going on here? Anyway, that should be the behavior. I should be here. I should be in there. You might need some stuff for temple files. Yeah, I know. And it's probably not gonna work. I think VS Code way better for temple, but hey. You disabled highlight, so you should basically only have keyword highlight. Yeah, I don't. It's this match params, and I have this config. Look at that. I have this already in my old config. Here. Wait, match param. This one. I need to do this. Look at that. This Vim CMD thingy. This thing, I'm gonna copy that. Open up init Lua. Paste that in somewhere here. Save. It's not gonna. Wait, can I? And do this. Right quit this. Open this back up. Delete this. Right quit this. And Vim. Main. And then normally, you see now my brackets are not matched anymore. You see, maybe there's a better command, but that's what I used back for a long time. You see, nothing helps. It works. Let me actually Try decoder is fine as an interface. Let me do product key to see. You see, it's not matching, right? Now it's good. Now it's working. Use GV to select again the same visual block. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So I do this. Wow. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Thanks. Thomas van der Doel. There's a typo plugin for that. Yeah. But the thing is, I think it's just default class. I think it should be default editor behavior. Like the most simple text editor, each time you basically do this, right? And you press enter. I mean, if you press enter here, it should basically know what your indentation level is. And it should do that just like this, right? I mean, if I press O here, it knows exactly what to do. O means basically insert line below, right? Underneath probably, yeah, line below. You see, it's like pressing O. Yeah, wait, no. Here, pressing O, it works. But if I do this, let me join these lines. If I press enter, it does not do that. And that's actually what it needs to do. Because if I do not have, wait, let me open up my Go file. I don't have match per hand. So if I press this one, in a normal editor, you basically have auto-closing parentheses, right? But I don't have them. So I do this. For example, func main param. I press GG. So I'm escape here, which puts me into this thing, and then I press enter. That's my. Let me show you again. My how do I write a function? So I do func main, close it, like close, open, close, GG, which is escape, and then I basically press Y, enter. And it brings me here. And in VS Code, I do the same thing. The same Timmy behavior. Right? The same Timmy behavior. Func main. Close this. I don't have matching params, right? I disabled that in VS Code. Do this. Escape, enter. And I'm here. And I'm so used to that. I'm so used to that behavior, right? The same thing. Close, enter. Enter. And I'm here. That's why I make these mistakes, right? That's why I make this thing doesn't really work. Func main. Boom, enter. And I'm here. And then I'm thinking that I'm good. And I do correlation ID and everything is fucked up. Right? I hope that's now you know why this happens. How I do stuff. Is it the best way? Probably not, but it is what it is. Do I enter? Well, that's what I do, right? Close, escape, I, enter. That's exactly what I do. That's my thing. Vim opt smart indent true. Oh my goodness, man! Is that true? Is it that simple? Yeah. Thank you so much, Ringold. Rootkit, what the hell is that? Is that even... That's wild. That's even wild. I need to... Why is it actually closing this buffer? Because we modified that. What's going on? Can we just do this? And Vim. Boom. Main. Let me test this again. So func main. Close this. Boom. Wait. No, it's not. It doesn't work. Smart indent. Did we make a mistake? Did we save that? We saved that. Oh man, can we... Let me try it again. Maybe it didn't save. But I know the smart indent will work, but I don't think for this. You see? It's weird. Well, if you enter here, it does. But then you need to be in insert mode. And the bracket needs to be aligned like this. That's weird. Actually, that's something what I also do from time to time. This. Yeah, I should do this, right? This. Which is basically press this, press enter, close it, escape, shift O. But yeah, that's maybe the Vim thing you need to do. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Alright guys. It's time. I'm gonna eat. I think the girl is coming, by the way. Oh, girl is sending me messages. She calls me handsome, I know. Just a second. She's hot as fuck, man. That's crazy. Anyway, could also record a macro. Yeah, that would be crazy. Anyway, why is this underlined? It's probably because there's an error. Yeah, it is. Because it's redeclared, right? Yeah, it's fine. S-Log better than Zap. But Zap is so annoying to use. It's from Uber. To be honest, every Go package from Uber I think is so bad. I don't know what it is. I think the engineers at Uber are so bad at writing Golang. It's insane. I don't understand that. Uber's so bad. Everything, Uber FX, even that you come up with this package, like dependency injection, you're a fucking bunch of retards. Uber Zap, why even? Why? If you really want to have a good company that write Go code, HashiCorp. HashiCorp, best one. Uber is so fucked up, man. But look, let us inspect real quick. ubergithub.com. Open source bullshit. Look at that. Thanks for the follow, Dane Thomas. Uber's open source. 2.4k followers. What the hell is that? Look at this. I'm a random Timmy on GitHub. I have more followers than these guys here. What do they have? Cadence. Cadence is a distributed, scalable, durable, and highly available orchestration engine to execute asynchronous, long-running basic logic in scalable and resilient way. Oh man, it's almost dying. Oh, let me see here. Let me inspect this thing. The AutoPairs plugin. AutoPairs. I need to. Glenn M, thank you so much. Thomas van den Doel. Nice, man. Thomas van den Doel is pretty funny because in my country, in Belgium, we say Doel. If you're on the Doel, you're basically not. Yeah, it's a bit scuffed. Like, he's on the Doel again. That basically mean you're. So you're van den Doel. So I hope you're not on the Doel. You know what I mean? But nonetheless, de Meulemeester, which is my surname, is even worse, right? So it's crazy. You need to have 10 minutes to write that down. Wait, maybe we could actually do something. Maybe we could clone this cadence thingy just to quickly check that. What is this? VS Code. We're not going to use it anymore. Let's do this. cd get clone this thing. Press enter. cd cadence. If we can. Man, this is a long project. Look at that. It takes so long. Say cadence. Clear. And Vim in this thing. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you so much for the Prime subscription. Avion, RTS. Merci beaucoup, mesdames. Merci, monsieur. Je suis désolé. Merci, Bogos. Thank you very much. Are you going to stream some Avenue soon? Yeah, we're going to do some Airtable stream very soon with Avenue. I need to do... Actually going to remake the admin stuff. So we have the admin thing is going to be remade. Because it's bad. It's just worse. It's yeah. But I need to do so much at Avenue. I'm building this... They ask me so much things I need to do. And it's every week it's something else. And how can I finish something if I need to do all that stuff on the side? So what do we have? Do we have a main thing here? Wait, so what is this thing? Let me open up the readme first. Let's do that. To run cadence, try out simple recipes, yada 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 yada. So normally the entry file in a Go thing should be in the CMD. So can we actually check that out? Do we have a CMD? So this is the common package. So people are basically commenting on my videos that I'm using the util package, right? They say, in Golang, you don't use util package. Yeah, okay. Why? Because Golang documentation says you cannot do util package, but a common package you can. It's like, why? Common is good, util is bad. Why? Util is 4 letters, common is 6. Util, common, yeah. Back off. That's basically, I know what it is. It's like this. Man, this is... Look at that. How many folders do they have, man? JSON task token serializer. Why? Okay, they use camel case for their folder structures. I don't think you do that in Golang. Right? I think in Golang you use underscores. Look at that. Let's go for HashiCorp console GitHub. Look at that. These are the real chats. Wait, there's a file name. I rest my fucking case. I streamed for too long already. It's 2 hours and a half. I'm so sorry. Don't mind me. Wait, I want to check something to prove that they are actually better writing Go. RPC. First of all, okay, this is fine. Looks good, looks good. Okay, okay. I'll be right back. Look at this, guys. I cannot even... Here, look at that. Be right back. Made it big. Kom direct. Yo! Alright, I'm back. Look at that. What's this, man? RPC factory. Once, if you do that in your Go code, you're fired instantly. This is basically the anti-pattern you'll ever see. But you can tell the way they created FX, right? You can tell that these guys have no Golang experience. You can tell that they are Java engineers. You can tell that. I'm so sorry, Uber, but you suck. Your whole team sucks. You can hire me for a lot of money, and I can train your team to write good Golang code that everybody can understand. The first thing we do is find and replace factory with new. factory is bad. It's not bad. Take everything with a grain of salt, guys. I mean, are they bad engineers? Probably not, right? I mean, take everything what I say with a grain of salt. I just want to say that. Naming an interface RPC factory, I don't know, man. We should call it this. Factory here. And it's good. You know what I mean? That's what Reddit would do, you know? RPC factory. Yeah, but I think this interface is already, I don't know. Yeah, but it's fine. Okay, what do they have? Let me do that. Let me Neovim again here. What do they have? Canary. A client. How do they make their clients? I want to see that. Client bean.go. I never write my Golang files camel case. I also I make it snake case, I think. Client bean. Let's see what that is. A bean is an interface. I can see that. Okay, this is so bad. You see this? You can tell. Guys, let us be honest, right? So I'm over-exaggerating a little bit, maybe. But this is not, right? This is so bad. So they make this bean interface, and this is the client bean implementation. I mean, come on. You can clearly tell that these guys are not Go engineers. They are Java engineers. You never do implementation. Let's be honest. Am I wrong here, guys, chat? Am I wrong, chat? I don't think so, right? You never call client bean implementation. You don't do that. Lowercase without symbols. Exactly. But Java is not hard. It's just the naming. I mean, this is coming from a Java stuff or from C#. C# does the same thing, right? You know what I mean? If I review this, they didn't pass. If they make a PR and somebody does this, man, he needs to go to the Anthony GG YouTube channel for a while. You know what I mean? The Java bean moment. Java mentioned, by the way. I want a bobber emote. If somebody can make me a bobber emote for in the Twitch chat, it would be nice. A bobber emote. Ja, pierdol. What does it actually mean? Fuck bobber? A fucking bobber? Okay, so they have an history client, matching client, front-end client, remote admin client. Something we actually didn't do is the GD into a new buffer. We did! Did we do that? That's wild. And if I close this, I go back to Beam? No. It doesn't work like that, Anthony. It doesn't work like that. If you close that, your whole Vim is done. Okay. Actually, it doesn't work like that. This is not VS Code, my man. I think we could do this, and then we can do client bean. Impl. Wait. Bean. Impl. How do they call that? Let's go. I can. Wait. Yeah, he is what we want. He's what we want. Okay, client bean implementation. So let me actually practice a little bit. So if I do this GD, I can actually go back. Yeah, okay, fine. GG. But how do I close a buffer? How do I close this buffer? Guys, how do I close a buffer? BD. Oh, man, thank you so much. It's BD, of course. It should be actually all W. BD. Autopass plugin. Supra subscribe, thank you so much. Tedios has followed. Avion RTS has followed. And Shreya Sub 2 has followed. Thank you so much, man. Buffer delete. Oh, yeah, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense, guys. I'm so hyped, man. I cannot wait till tomorrow. I'm not gonna sleep. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I'm actually nervous a little bit. Tomorrow, man. Holy shit. I feel like a child. Like a dream. It's actually a dream coming true. I cannot. It's wild. Look, and never, guys. Never make a space here. Never make a space here. Why are you spacing? This is so C sharp. This is so C sharp, man. Or C++. Or even maybe Java. Where you make a space between you. Why would you? Why? This is so tiny. Don't do that. And they'll probably do it everywhere. There's not even consistency in this code base. And this is written by a billion-dollar company. Man. And you cannot find a job? You cannot find a Golang job while at Uber you cannot even write decent code? Man. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a PR. Next stream, we're gonna make a PR. We're gonna rewrite this client beam, and we're gonna make a PR to the repo. And we're gonna say your code sucks. How are you gonna do that? I'm gonna do that, man. We're gonna do that. Actually, to be honest, we're gonna rewrite. We're gonna make. Where is the Uber thing? We're gonna do that because I don't care, man. I don't give a shit. We're gonna do that. This Uber. We're gonna teach Uber a lesson. We're gonna teach Uber a lesson. I don't like the way they write code. Okay, client factory, new admin. Okay, cool. Add is not nil. They do that. Nice. Front ends. Okay, no problem. Set these things. Good. Okay, that's the same thing I do. It's good, good, good. No complaints. Wait, this is get remote client admin. Why would you ever panic? Why would you ever panic in this case? I mean, let me GD. I cannot DG into this function. I can. It just takes 1 minute. Wait, what happened here? How? Why can't I GD? Let's go to definition, but it should actually. I mean, in VS Code, if you GD into a function and it is not a definition, you go do the implementation or something like that. This is weird. Maybe it's an implemented function. That could also be something, right? Can we get remote? Wait, how does it call? Get remote. Can I copy? Can I do this? Do this, this, and this? I can't. I cannot paste in this thing. That's so annoying. Get remote front-end client. Get remote front-end client. Leader as we. It doesn't. I deleted. I deleted that. WS. I deleted this keybind. I'm so sorry. So that's the thing with VS Code. GD works for everything. Go to definition. It goes to whatever. Even if there's no definition, it will find an implementation. If it doesn't find an implementation, it will find it will find everything. But this panic is a little bit weird, in my opinion. So we cannot find this. It's weird, man. Cached. Factory. Wait. This is also fishy. Look at that. It does this. Matching client, store this client, and then again, a panic. It's full of panics. It's like, what the hell's going on in this code base, man? Is this a test? It isn't. And Batar, spending some money. Thank you so much for spending the money. You can do GR. Ah, I think I disabled GR as well. I'm so bad. I'm so sorry. Actually, yeah, I fucked it up. I know. Yeah, I will bring it back. I delete everything because I thought GD in VS Code. Actually, look at that. In VS Code, you could do this. What? It's client, bean client, right? Bean client. Is it this one? So if VS Code, you could do this. Wait, where is this function? I think it's get remote. We are in another. We are in another file. We are in another file. We're not here. We were in where were we? I think we were in client bean. That's where we were, right? And then we're gonna get remote. This thing. If I do GD, look at that. That's actually why I love VS Code and I miss it. And if I do GD, look at that. It gives me basically the option to go where everything is used, and maybe that's GR. I don't know. You know what I mean? And then I could do boom and presenters and something like that, right? And that's a little bit what I miss. And I think there is something that does that. Maybe it's GR. I don't know. LSP Saga is what you're looking for. LSPs. What's going on here? LSP Saga. What is the time? I need to go to the gym, man. It's where is my cell phone? I need to eat, go to the gym. It's actually perfectly fine. Yes! Yes! I got the mail. I got the mail from Maxim Ekels. Ekels. I'm so sorry. I got a mail. I got a mail from Maxim. And he's telling me. What is he telling me? Just an empty mail with a title. I'm gonna exactly say it in Dutch. Plaat M3 binnen. Basically means that the number plate for my M3 competition is arrived. Which basically means that we're gonna drive with this plate. Friday. And GG. That's the number plate. In Belgium, a unique number plate. And GG is mine. So everybody will know that I'm driving. Which basically means that if the number plate is at the garage, it basically means tomorrow, 11 o'clock, I'm gonna pick it up. It's not only history being written for myself, but it's only history being written for my whole family. Because they will have no clue what's going on, right? They will see, what the hell is this? And then they're gonna also say, but you also have your old car and your new car. What are you doing? Explain. How can I explain that to my family? They don't even know what I'm doing. They think I'm a drug dealer, right? How am I gonna explain that? I don't know. Set GR to Vim LSP buff references. The local Vim dealer. Go drug dealer. Golang. That would be a little bit scuffed, right? Because if you're gonna jump on the next bandwagon, then we are stuck with this plate. Say the other car is Timmy's. And my other car is pretty nice as well. My other car is already big dick, man. The car I'm driving right now is already big dick. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. To be honest, I'm gonna lie. Let me see where are we here. I wanna actually check what did we do. How much progress did we make in Twitch today? I don't know. It's good because Prime Jam is not streaming. Nobody's streaming. You know what I mean? Teach is not streaming, so everybody should come to my channel. You know what I mean? 99. Look at that. 99 problems and the bitch ain't one. You know? Haha. That's good. That's very good, man. That's good. So subscribe, follow, guys. We're gonna basically conquer the world. That's what we're gonna do. I'm also going to do some cool stuff. We're gonna do some streaming marathon, but of course no marathon like 10 hours or something, which is already a marathon if you're coding. And we're gonna build something from zero in this 10 hours. But I want to do something. I want to do something viral. You know what I mean? No clone. Maybe we should do something like. Let me hire myself in 10 hours into a company. Something like that. You know what I mean? We're going to try that. So we're going to start in the morning. We're going to search a company or companies. And we're going to try to get hired. You know what I mean? Companies, they don't know me, right? Try to get hired with a fake name. And we're going to do that by solving. We're going to inspect the company. We're going to inspect what they are doing. And we're going to try to build something. Send the code. And try to get a meeting at the same moment and all that stuff. You know, that would be so amazing, you know? What do you think about that? That would be great. Nobody's doing this. You know what I mean? We're going to do something like that. Thank you so much, Himdas, for 74 for the 10 gifted subs, man. What a fucking champion is this? That's crazy. Fresh deep dilly peckles. Thanks for the follow. Give Himira74 some shout out, man, for the 10 gifted Suberinos. But that's not in Kickstart. Kickstart is horrid. Yeah, we not used Kickstart, right? We basically just set it up from kind of from scratch, right? Some blank page, and we just copied stuff over and deleted, yada yada yada. Thanks to you guys. So thank you so much for helping me. To be honest, not gonna lie. But now I have now I have everything, right? You see, guys, now it's like just a small little details, but that's fine. It's like the very very small stuff. But we can do everything. We have this main thing. We have buffers open. That's what I want. We have the terminal here, which I can run my stuff here, and it's fine. It's amazing, man. But that being said, to recap, I don't really like how Uber writes his code, but it's fine, right? Yeah, so something like that. Think about what we could do in this kind of a 10-hour stream. Or we could try to build something that makes money, some little startup thingy, like a versal. I don't know. Think about that. Think about that. Think about what we want to do. The thing is, it needs to be viral, right? It needs to be hard. You need to have big balls for that. Something like this, because otherwise it's going to be hard to get some attention. You know what I mean? All right, guys. I wish you a very good day. To be honest, hey, like I said, eat, go to the gym right now, and then I'm gonna, I don't know. Then it's probably some live new time. You know what I mean? And tomorrow probably not online, but I'm gonna post some videos. So that'll be fine. See you back on Saturday or something. You know, Sunday I think it's gonna be. All right. By the way, you don't need comment anymore. It's in the Neovim course. We need to check that out. When are we fixing your Discord and Twitch? Very soon. Now. This weekend. Tomorrow. Today even. Let me know what I need to do and I will fix it. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Salam alaikum.